Hey everyone, welcome back to Globry Digital Innovation, where we dive into the coolest digital tools and the latest in AI technology. Today we're diving into the top 3 AI tools for coding that will blow your mind and seriously boost your productivity. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started, these tools can help you write code faster, debug smarter, and be more efficient. So, stick around to find out which tools will make your life so much easier. First up is PyCharm, the must-have ID for Python developers. Imagine writing code faster and with confidence. PyCharm makes that possible with its intelligent code completion, which eliminates syntax errors and boosts productivity. Packed with powerful debugging tools and seamless version control integration, it's perfect for web applications and data science projects alike. What really sets PyCharm apart is its smart coding assistant, which highlights errors in real time, allowing you to focus on creating amazing projects. If you're serious about elevating your coding game and maximizing efficiency, PyCharm is the ID you need to try. Don't miss out on this game changer. Next on the list is OpenAI Codex, and honestly, this one is next level. Codex can take natural language input and convert it into actual code. Yeah, you heard that right. You type in plain English, and Codex does the rest, writing fully functional code in multiple languages like Python, JavaScript, or even Go. For example, if you want to write a Python function to sort a list, you can literally type, "Create a Python function to sort a list in ascending order," and Codex will do the rest. It's like talking to your code editor and having it understand exactly what you need. This is perfect for speeding up your workflow, especially if you're brainstorming or just trying to get things done faster. Last but definitely not least, we have GitHub Copilot, probably the most popular AI coding assistant out there right now. Built on top of OpenAI Codex, Copilot integrates directly into your favorite IDs like Visual Studio Code, and it's like having a pair programming buddy who knows everything. It suggests entire lines or blocks of code as you type, meaning it can literally complete your code for you. Whether you're writing a function, trying to debug, or need help with a specific syntax, Copilot has got you covered. And what's really cool? It learns from your style the more you use it, so its suggestions become even more tailored to how you write code. If you want a smart AI that works alongside you, GitHub Copilot is the one to try. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced developers looking to save time and write cleaner code. So there you have it, the top 3 best AI tools for coding: Codet 5, OpenAI Codex, and GitHub Copilot. Each one has something unique to offer, whether it's customizing your coding, writing code with natural language, or getting real-time suggestions. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep creating, keep editing, and we'll see you in the next video.